Alright, so we're looking at 24. It says a right triangle shown below. One leg is y equals 2, one leg is x equals 4, and the other leg is z. Which expression would result in an irrational number? Okay. Irrational means the decimal doesn't end and it doesn't repeat. Pi is the most famous irrational number. So, x squared plus y squared. X squared, that's 4 squared is 16. 16 plus y squared, which is 2 squared, that's 4. That's going to give me 20. Is 20 rational? Yeah, it's rational, not irrational. So it's not A. Okay. Choice B is 1/2 x times y. Well, x times y is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Half of that is 4. 4 is also rational, not an irrational number. Okay, in C we get x plus y plus z. Well, we haven't found out what z is, so we need to do that. This is a right triangle. I have both legs, so I can use Pythagorean theorem with the c missing. So I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We already did a squared and b squared. We got 20. So again, 2 squared is 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So I know that 20 is equal to c squared. Okay, so to solve for 20, what I need to do, or to solve for c, what I need to do is take the square root of both sides. That cancels out the square root, and so I know that c, or in this case z, is the square root of 20. So if I do 4 plus 2 plus the square root of 20 in my calculator, oh, okay. I gotta do this. Square root of 20 plus 4 plus 2. That is a decimal that doesn't end and it doesn't repeat. So the answer is going to be C. But just to make sure, I'm going to do D. So I have the square root of 20 squared. Okay, that was a misfunction. Let's try this again. Square root of 20 squared. But it's going to be minus that. And then we have x squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. So I have 16 minus 20. Negative 4. It is not irrational. Even though it's negative, it's still a rational number. So our answer is C.